What up? So today we got what is this? 2000 Nissan Altima. Yeah, I saw a video, one or two, doing an AC condenser, and it looks like they were not prepared and didn't know what they were doing. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. So this is the condenser. It comes with this right here. You got your O-rings, the bolt right there. It goes inside there. And your O-rings go right here. And first thing you gotta do is take off this grill. Now, according to all that, it says take off the whole bumper. I think I can do it without taking off the bumper. I'll just take off the grill. Start with that. Take the little push pins out. You got 4 of them. Okay. And we're gonna see if we can pull that grill out. So there's just like an extra one right here on this side, one over there, and then you got 2 10 millimeters right here on each side of the bumper. And just pull it forward, and I'm just letting it hang. I didn't disconnect the bottom because you don't need to. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna discharge the Freon. You can do it from the low side, the high side. The high side is always the skinny one, which is under high pressure. So that's why it's under high pressure, because it's in a very small line that comes after the AC compressor. This is the low side, bigger tube, no pressure, low pressure. It's the suction. You can press on that little button in there, the Schrader valve, and then release the Freon that way. Or if you're in a rush like I am all the time, I'll just take out that 10 millimeter bolt, and it's gonna fucking shoot out like that. And you just be careful because it's gonna explode. But let's see. I mean, it shouldn't really have much in there, but yeah, I'll just do it. I'm gonna just take it out of the Schrader valve. It's probably no Freon in there anyway, because you're replacing the condenser. It's probably got a bunch of holes in it. It's probably leaking. So, but we're gonna release it anyway. It was like I suspected. There was hardly anything in there. When I pressed on the Schrader valve, there's barely anything come off. You got a 10 millimeter right here, and you got one right here. And then you might get a little residual blowback right there, but just pull that off. Yeah, okay. That is gonna be that. Now, you could reuse the old one, this right here, you know, just replace the O-rings. So if this doesn't fit as well as the old one, you can use the old one. This is usually a better idea. Just go with the original equipment. You see it's got a little different design here. Look like this one's a little bit bigger in size. Might not fit well. So I might just replace these O-rings. Look like that one's leaking. Maybe. Looks a little bunged up there. So I might just I'm thinking I'm gonna reuse this with just change out the O-rings on it. Keep the old one. And then with this right here, all you're gonna do is you got these tabs. Push them in on both sides. Right here, I'm gonna hit it with the lube too. And then then it should just come right out. And that's it. So I'm gonna hit it with a little lube right here. Then you gotta do this. And then, you know, disconnect the receiver dryer. So now I'm sticking with a screwdriver here, push that one down, lift it up. On the other side too. Hold on one second. Alright, so I released the tab there, released the tab over here, and it's just gonna come right out now. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer that that's your low side pressure switch. I'm gonna transfer it, put it right here, change out the O-ring. So you're gonna have to take this out right here, put a new O-ring on that end of that pressure switch, transfer that out, and then I'm going to drop it back in there, and then I'm gonna do my little line, feed it right here, and I'm gonna use the old line because like I said, that new one's kind of bigger. Looks like it's not gonna fit. It might give me some difficulty. So let me go ahead and swap these parts out. We'll drop this back in there. Okay, so put the new so this one right here actually you know, this came out of the top, right out of this little port. It was just a plug hole, and it actually had an O-ring on it when I took it out. So I just took that O-ring from that bolt and I transferred it before I put this one on. And this looks a little bent out of the box here. Yeah. Whatever. Just go ahead and drop it in there. As long as the hole's Freon, that's all that matters. All right, so you see those two little ridges down there? I'm gonna drop these down in there. At the same time, guiding the top ones in here. Yep. There you go. All right, so I got it in there. Snap it in there. There you go. Snap it in there. Pull that out. We're gonna put our new little line, run it through here, and plug this bad boy in. Then we're gonna recharge it. There we go. Make sure you put the O-rings on. You got 2 O-rings right here in the bag, and there might be some on the other side. Let me check. So, like I thought, you got O-rings on this. There's one right there, and there's one right there. So I'm using my little pick to get in there, get that O-ring out of the door, find one that matches, and replace it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a little trick here, a little pro tip. This is where I saw the other guy struggling in the videos, which I can tell that they're not mechanics by trade, and they was just trying to fix their own cars or whatever, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here to help you do. But I'm a pro, so I'm gonna show you this is where they messed up. They put this in first and tighten it down. If you do that, you're gonna have a trouble doing it. This isn't a hard area to get to, so what you can do is feed your tube in here, right? And you're gonna put this line in first, right? Then you take this one, connect it on right there like that. So you get this over the line, all right? Then you push it down in there, and then you put your 10mm on, right? Then you put this one in last. Then you shouldn't struggle like that. So we're gonna knock that out right quick. Okay, so I connected this side first, then came over here, and the old part, the OEM did not want to go in. So I did the same thing. I just took the old one, the new one that came with it, put this side in first, and it fit. It lined right up perfect. It was no problem going in. So I would recommend using the pipe that comes with the condenser, because it was designed to go with that condenser. So I just hooked this side in first, put that side in last, and you should not have a problem. So next thing we're gonna do, recharge on the low side. So you go in here, crank up the car. You gotta turn the AC on full blast, recirculate, and then you're gonna fill it up until it gets into the desired area of let's see, so until it gets into the green filled area here. All right, so it probably takes about 2 cans of Freon. All right, thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. You know what I'm saying? You got two types of people in this world. You got people that like to talk, and people that do the work. I don't do a lot of talking, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to get it done though. Peace.